Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How are you everybody and welcome back to English in Use. This is Mr. Ahmed Nassar. Today, inshallah, we are talking about the future continuous. Will be plus verb plus ing. We finished talking before about the future simple, and as we said, when we want to express an action that will happen or will take place in the future, we can express it in many ways. We can say, I will travel next week. I'm going to travel next week. قلنا إن will و be going to بيستخدموا للتعبير عن المستقبل البسيط. Will plus infinitive to talk about unplanned future or quick decision. Be going to اللي هي am, is, are plus going to plus infinitive is used to express something which is planned. شيء مخطط ليه في المستقبل. طيب النهارده هنتكلم مع بعض عن زمن المستقبل المستمر. The future continuous. Will be plus verb plus ing. To say, for example, I will be having lunch at 3 o'clock. She will be completing her project tomorrow at night. They will be writing their homework at night. بستخدم زمن المستقبل المستمر if I'm talking about an action that will be happening at certain point of time in the future. يبقى بنستخدمه لما نكون عايزين نعبر عن حدث سيقع ويستمر في فترة معينة في المستقبل. To say, I'll be flying over the Pacific tomorrow at this time. I'll be staying 2 weeks in London. معناها إن الحدث بتاعي هيقع في المستقبل وسيستمر لفترة من الوقت. To say, don't call me between 9 and 10. I'll be having my English lesson. يبقى between 9 and 10 in the future, I will be doing something. I'll be having English lesson. This time next week, I'll be on holiday. هنا مستقبل بسيط. I'll be lying on the beach or swimming in the sea. تعالوا نشوف مع بعض how do native speakers use the future continuous.
So how long will you be staying? So how long will you be staying?
I will be staying for 2 weeks.
So how long will you be staying? So how long will you be staying?
I will be staying for 2 weeks.
Another usage for the future continuous is expressing an action which is planned in the future. بستخدم كمان الزمن ده علشان أعبر بيه عن حدث مخطط ليه في المستقبل. We used to say, they are arriving tonight. استخدمنا هنا زمن المضارع المستمر للتعبير عن المستقبل المخطط ليه. We can express the same meaning saying, they will be arriving tonight. I'm not using the car today. We can say, I won't be using the car today. يبقى الاستخدام الأول ليه بستخدمه للتعبير عن حدث سيقع في المستقبل وسيستمر لفترة من الزمان. أقدر كمان أستخدمه زي استخدام المضارع المستمر للتعبير عن المستقبل المخطط ليه مسبقا. Questions with the future continuous are used to ask about other people's plans in the polite way. To say, what time will you be leaving tomorrow? Will you be working next week? Now, how to change the future continuous into negative? To change the future continuous into negative, we use will not or won't plus be plus verb plus ing to say, I won't be doing anything tomorrow at night. They will not be working next weekend. This is the end of our lesson for today. And now, let's answer this exercise. Now let's have this exercise together. At 3 o'clock tomorrow, I work in my office. I will be working. At 3 o'clock tomorrow, you lie on the beach. Be careful. Verbs like lie ends in ie. To add ing علشان أضيف ing لأي فعل منتهي ie في الحالة ديت ie هنقلبها y قبل ما نضيف ing هتبقى will be lying. يبقى verbs like lie, tie that ends in ie is omitted and we add y before ing. Let's have number 9 because it's a negative sentence. She not exercise at the gym. Won't be exercising. Please try to answer all the other sentences, and if you have any question, please leave a comment. This is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you everybody. See you next time inshallah. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.